What if I told you that by 2026, the most successful companies on the planet won't be run by people, but by algorithms? It sounds like sci-fi, but it's happening right now. Today, we're breaking down the exact playbook that's about to redefine how businesses make money, moving away from human-led teams to a completely autonomous AI-driven growth engine. Welcome to the Agile Wow podcast, your trusted partner in Agile, Scrum, artificial intelligence training, coaching, and innovation. Agile Wow is on a mission to build communities, empower professionals, and accelerate the learning curve one conversation at a time. Okay, let's just get right to it. For decades, the recipe for growth was pretty straightforward, right? You just throw more money at ads, hire more salespeople, answer more support tickets. Well, that playbook, it's officially broken. It's just become way too slow, way too expensive, and it's forcing basically every business to completely reinvent how they operate. So what's the answer? It's a brand new model called algorithmic growth. And listen, this isn't about giving your team some new fancy software. No, this is about building an AI-powered engine that basically runs itself. It's constantly testing, learning, and optimizing at a scale and speed that is just, well, it's impossible for humans to even comprehend. So what does this AI engine actually do? Well, it all starts by completely overhauling the customer journey. And I mean from the very first second they land on your website to the absolute last interaction they ever have with your brand. You know the feeling. We've all been there, stuck with a chatbot that does nothing but send you to a useless FAQ page. That's the old way. We call that deflection. The future, and where we're headed, is all about resolution. We're talking about AI agents that actually have the power to solve your problem right then and there. They can process refunds, check on an order, update your account details, all without needing a human to step in. And here's where it gets really wild. The economic impact is just staggering. A support ticket handled by a person can cost, on average, around $12. But with an autonomous AI agent, that cost plummets to about 50 cents. Yeah, you heard that right. That's a 95% cost reduction, simply by letting AI solve the problem instead of just passing the buck. But this whole autonomous revolution isn't just shaking up customer support, not even close. It's also completely transforming the very first thing a customer sees, your website. The new holy grail, creating a one-of-a-kind, totally unique experience for every single person who visits. For years, the best we could do was A/B testing, showing one version of a page to this group, another version to that group. Generative UI makes that look like ancient history. Now, we can create a completely unique website for a segment of one, tailored in real time to that one person's specific needs and what they're interested in. Now, this crazy level of personalization doesn't just make for a better customer experience. It's also the fuel for a brand new, revolutionary kind of sales engine. So say hello to the era of the AI sales workforce. You can think of these as your new digital sales development reps. They are tireless AI agents that handle all the grunt work that absolutely burns out human salespeople. We're talking lead research, writing personalized emails, and qualifying prospects. And it's not just one single AI doing all of this. It's more like a highly specialized team of agents all working together in perfect sync. You have one that acts as the strategist, another that goes out and finds the leads, a third one that starts the conversation, and a fourth that handles all the boring data entry in the CRM. And here's the key. This doesn't replace your best salespeople. It supercharges them. By automating 80% of all those manual tasks, your human experts get back a full day's work every single week. A full day to focus on what they do best, building relationships and closing complex deals. Now, to make all this work, you obviously need the right tech stack. The smartest teams out there are using a combination of platforms. Think of it like this. They use one tool for the deep intelligence and personalization, and another tool as the execution engine to send out communications at a massive scale. Just a quick reminder, this episode is brought to you by Agile Wow. If you're looking to level up your skills, check out our upcoming workshops on product management, agile leadership, and artificial intelligence. Visit our website, www.agilewow.com, for more details. Okay, so none of this AI magic happens in a vacuum. You can't just snap your fingers. It all has to be built on the right foundation. And we're talking about the data stack, that invisible engine that powers this entire system. You just can't run 2026 tactics on 2020 tech. The modern MarTech Stack really has three crucial layers that all work together. You've got the data layer, which is basically the brain that holds all the information. Then there's the intelligence layer, the strategist, which is where the AI makes its decisions. And finally, the execution layer, the hands, which actually goes out and carries out those decisions. A super common point of confusion is the difference between a customer data platform, or a CDP, and a data warehouse. Here's the simple way to think about it. The warehouse is for looking back at the past and doing analysis. The CDP is all about taking action right now, in the present. It's what gives your AI the real-time data it needs to make smart, instant decisions. Okay, so this brings us to the big question, right? What does all this mean for us, for people? How do our jobs actually change when AI is doing so much of the heavy lifting? This is probably the single most important mindset shift you'll have to make. For the last 20 years, our model has been human-led, tech-assisted. We were in the driver's seat using software to help us go faster. The new model flips that completely. It's AI-led, human-governed. Now the AI is in the driver's seat, and our new job is to set the destination, define the rules of the road, and be ready to take the wheel when things get complicated. And check this out, because this perfectly illustrates how our rules are going to evolve. A UX designer isn't just pushing pixels around anymore. They become a generative design system orchestrator. They build the library of components that the AI uses to create interfaces on the fly. A marketing ops leader stops building manual campaigns. They become an agent governor who oversees these powerful, autonomous systems. So as you start to plan for 2026 and beyond, the real strategic question isn't just about what fancy AI tool you should buy next. It's about what kind of company you're trying to build. Are you building an engine that's designed to simply assist your human workforce? Or are you building a truly autonomous engine that is designed to be governed by them? The answer to that question is what will define the winners and the losers of the next decade. Thanks for tuning into the podcast, supported by Agile Wow. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to follow the podcast, leave us a review, and share it with your team. And if you want to advance your Agile journey, check out Agile Wow's upcoming trainings, events, and workshops, all designed to help you grow faster, smarter, and together. Until next time, stay agile, stay curious.